Looking for the perfect canine companion in your golden years? In this video, we're sharing the best dog breeds for older adults, loving, low maintenance, and perfectly suited for a relaxed lifestyle. Whether you're looking for a gentle walking partner or a cuddly lapdog, we've got breeds that offer companionship, comfort, and joy without the high energy or demands of more active pups. Here are top 15 best dog breeds for senior citizens and retirees. Number 1. Pug. The Pug's motto could easily be a lot of love in a little package. Weighing in at just 14 to 18 pounds, these charming little dogs are easy to handle and perfect for seniors. With their expressive faces, friendly personalities, and gentle nature, Pugs make exceptional companions. Often nicknamed little shadows, they love to stay close to their owners, offering constant companionship and affection. Low maintenance and easy to groom, Pugs thrive in both apartments and houses. And with their preference for naps over long walks, they fit beautifully into a relaxed lifestyle. Adopt a Pug and you gain a loyal friend for life. Number 2. Shih Tzu. The Shih Tzu may look like royalty, but behind that regal appearance is a loving, cheerful companion that gets along with everyone, including other pets. Known for their affectionate nature and joyful spirit, Shih Tzus love nothing more than cuddling up with their favorite human. They have moderate exercise needs, making them a great choice for seniors who enjoy relaxed walks and quiet moments at home. While their long, flowing coats do require regular grooming and a bit of TLC, many owners find the bonding time rewarding. Training a Shih Tzu can sometimes test your patience due to their stubborn streak, but with consistency and care, they usually catch on quickly. With a Shih Tzu by your side, every day feels a little brighter. Number 3. Labrador Retriever. Labrador Retrievers are more than just America's favorite dog. They're also a wonderful choice for seniors seeking a loyal and loving companion. Friendly, intelligent, and highly trainable, Labs form strong bonds with their owners and are always eager to please. Their playful nature and love for the outdoors can be a great motivator to stay active, whether it's a walk in the park or a game of fetch in the yard. Labradors thrive on human interaction and are known for their affectionate personalities, making them ideal for combating loneliness and bringing daily joy. With a Lab in your life, you're never alone. They're always by your side. Last but certainly not least is the Dachshund, affectionately known as the wiener dog. Just like hot dogs come in many styles, this delightful breed offers a variety of sizes, coat types, and colors to suit just about anyone's taste. Whether you choose a short-haired, long-haired, standard, or miniature dachshund, one thing remains the same: their big personality. These little dogs are fiercely loyal, loving, and full of spunky charm. Their compact size makes them easy to handle, and their playful, alert nature adds a spark of joy to any home. Number 5. German Shepherd. German Shepherds are known for their loyalty, intelligence, and protective instincts, qualities that can make them wonderful companions for seniors seeking both friendship and a sense of security. These noble dogs thrive on human connection and enjoy being part of a daily routine, especially one that includes outdoor time and mental stimulation. Their presence alone can be reassuring, and their devotion is unmatched. Number 6. Shar-Pei. If you're a senior looking for a loyal companion, but not necessarily a lapdog, the Shar-Pei might be just the right fit. These medium-sized dogs are known for their signature wrinkled appearance and calm, independent nature. Shar-Peis are among the easiest breeds to house train and typically require minimal grooming thanks to their short coats, perfect for low-maintenance care. Number 7. Boxer. The Boxer is a strong, muscular, and energetic breed that brings both playfulness and protection to the home. Originally from Germany, Boxers are known for their loyalty, alertness, and natural guarding instincts, making them wonderful companions for seniors who appreciate a dog with both spirit and devotion. Boxers are highly affectionate with their families and thrive on human interaction. They're also known for their sharp hearing and keen awareness. Number 8. French Bulldog. The French Bulldog is one of the best dog breeds for seniors and retirees, and for good reason. These small, sturdy dogs are incredibly kind, adaptable, and low maintenance. They don't require much exercise, making them perfect for a more relaxed lifestyle. Frenchies are playful and affectionate, often happiest when they're curled up next to their owner. With an average lifespan of 10 to 12 years and minimal shedding, they're both easy to care for and a joy to have around. They're patient, loving, and great with family, including grandchildren. Number 9. Yorkshire Terrier. The Yorkshire Terrier, lovingly known as the Yorkie, is a small dog with a big heart. Ideal for seniors, Yorkies are low maintenance, don't need much exercise, and adapt easily to apartment living. They're affectionate, loyal, and thrive on companionship. Number 10. Pomeranian. Pomeranians are tiny bundles of joy, weighing just 3 to 7 pounds, which makes them easy to handle and carry, perfect for seniors looking for a small, manageable companion. These smart, loyal, and affectionate dogs quickly adapt to different living spaces, including apartments, and don't require much exercise to stay happy. Number 11. Chihuahua. Chihuahuas may be tiny in size, but they are huge in personality. Known for their quirky and entertaining nature, these lively little dogs make loyal companions who love nothing more than curling up in their owner's lap for some quality petting time. Number 12. Beagle. For seniors who enjoy staying active, the Beagle is an excellent companion. These medium-sized dogs are energetic, friendly, and full of curiosity. Beagles love their daily walks and exploring the outdoors, though they might get easily distracted chasing squirrels or other small animals. Number 13. Pembroke Welsh Corgi. The Pembroke Welsh Corgi is one of the best dog breeds for seniors, thanks to its lovable, friendly, and adaptable nature. Originally bred to herd livestock, this smart and eager-to-please breed thrives in a variety of living situations and forms strong bonds with their family. Number 15. Golden Retriever. For seniors who enjoy outdoor activities but prefer a gentler companion, the Golden Retriever is an ideal choice. Known for their friendly and gentle temperament, these dogs love going on hikes and exploring nature alongside their owners. Just be sure to keep the outings at a comfortable pace. Golden Retrievers do require regular grooming, which can be a wonderful way to bond and spend quality time together. With their affectionate nature and easygoing personality, Golden Retrievers make loyal, loving companions for seniors who want both adventure and a calm, devoted friend.